Hello. Today we're whisked away to the dazzling Aegean Sea, landing on the island of Rhodes. Specifically, we're stepping back in time within the fortified walls of Rhodes Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Imagine cobblestone streets, medieval architecture, and a history so rich it seems to seep from the very stones. As we stroll through these ancient pathways, we'll uncover a captivating blend of cultures, each leaving its mark on this remarkable place. From the Knights of St. John to the Ottoman Empire, Rhodes Old Town has witnessed the ebb and flow of empires, its story etched into every corner. Get ready to be enchanted by the charm of Rhodes Old Town, where every step tells a story, and every corner whispers secrets of the past. Standing tall and proud, the western gate of Amboise is our gateway to another era. This imposing structure, built in the 16th century by the Knights of St. John, served as a crucial defense point for the city. Can you imagine the knights, clad in their shining armor, guarding this very gate? Notice the intricate details carved into the stone, a testament to the architectural prowess of the time. The gate's massive wooden doors, reinforced with iron, have withstood the test of time, silently narrating tales of battles fought and won. As we pass through the gate, we're not just entering a city, we're stepping back in time. The bustling streets of modern Rhodes fade away, replaced by the echoes of merchants' calls and the clatter of horses' hooves. Our next stop takes us high above the city streets, offering breathtaking panoramic views from the top of the medieval clock tower. Built in the 15th century, this iconic landmark has been keeping time for centuries, a silent witness to the city's ever-evolving story. Once at the top, take a moment to catch your breath and soak in the beauty of Rhodes Old Town from above. The clock tower is more than just a timekeeper. It's a symbol of Rhodes's enduring spirit. Through wars, earthquakes, and the passage of time, it has stood tall, a beacon of resilience and a reminder of the city's rich past. A tapestry of cultures, the Mosque of Suleiman. Our journey through Rhodes Old Town now takes us to a place of tranquility and cultural significance. The Mosque of Suleiman. Built in the 16th century after the Ottoman conquest of Rhodes, this mosque stands as a testament to the island's diverse heritage. Admire the mosque's elegant minaret, reaching for the sky, and step inside to experience a sense of peace and serenity. The Mosque of Suleiman is a reminder that Rhodes Old Town's history is not just a single narrative, but a tapestry woven from the threads of many cultures. It's a place where East meets West, where history and faith intertwine, and where visitors can gain a deeper appreciation for the island's rich cultural mosaic. Our exploration leads us deeper into the heart of Rhodes' Old Town, where we encounter the majestic palace of the Grand Master. This imposing fortress, once the residence of the Grand Master of the Knights of Rhodes, stands as a symbol of their power and influence. Step inside, and you'll be transported to a world of grandeur. Marvel at the intricate mosaics adorning the floors, depicting scenes from Greek mythology. Explore the grand halls, once filled with knights and dignitaries, and imagine the lavish feasts and strategic meetings that took place within these very walls. The Palace of the Grand Master is not merely a building, it's a living testament to a bygone era, a place where history comes to life. As we soak in the atmosphere of this historical gem, we gain a deeper understanding of the Knights of Rhodes and their impact on this island. The heart of the city, Hippocrates Square. Our next destination is a bustling hub of activity, the heart and soul of Rhodes' Old Town, Hippocrates Square. Named after the father of medicine who is said to have practiced on the island, this square is a vibrant gathering place for locals and tourists alike. Take a seat at one of the many cafes lining the square and soak in the lively atmosphere. Watch as street performers entertain passers-by and listen to the cheerful chatter of friends catching up over coffee. Hippocrates Square is the perfect place to experience the pulse of Rhodes' Old Town, a place where the past and present seamlessly blend. It's a place to relax, people watch, and savor the vibrant energy of this captivating city. But our journey isn't over yet. Let's continue our exploration, venturing deeper into the labyrinthine streets of the old town. Echoes of the past, the medieval street of the knights. Prepare to be transported back in time as we stroll along the medieval street of the knights, one of the most well-preserved medieval streets in the world. This cobblestone street, lined with medieval inns and knights' houses, offers a glimpse into the daily life of the Knights of St. John. Imagine knights in shining armor walking these very streets, their footsteps echoing through the narrow alleyways. Each building whispers tales of bravery, chivalry, and a time when swords clashed and shields thundered. The medieval street of the knights is a living museum, a place where history comes alive with every step you take. It's a reminder of the knights' legacy and their lasting impact on Rhodes' Old Town. But our adventure doesn't end here. We have one more stop before we bid farewell to this captivating city. A modern harbour, an ancient past, Mandraki Marina and port. Our journey through Rhodes' Old Town culminates at the picturesque Mandraki Marina and port, a bustling harbour where ancient history meets modern-day life. Imagine sleek yachts bobbing gently beside traditional fishing boats, a testament to the island's enduring connection to the sea. As you stroll along the harbour, take a moment to appreciate the stunning views of the Aegean Sea, its azure waters sparkling under the warm Mediterranean sun. Legend has it that the Colossus of Rhodes, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, once stood astride the harbour entrance. Although the Colossus is long gone, its legacy lingers in the air. Mandraki Marina and port is a reminder that while times change and empires rise and fall, the sea remains a constant connecting roads to the wider world. The giant's legacy, the Colossus of Rhodes. Our final stop transports us back to the realm of legends, to the site where the Colossus of Rhodes, a towering bronze statue of the sun god Helios, once stood. Though toppled by an earthquake in 226 BC, the Colossus left an indelible mark on history and imagination. While the exact location and appearance of the Colossus remain a mystery, its grandeur continues to captivate. Some believe it straddled the harbour entrance, while others envision it standing tall on a nearby hilltop. Although the Colossus is long gone, its story serves as a reminder of Rhodes's enduring legacy. Even in ruins, it inspires awe and wonder, reminding us of the power of human ingenuity and the enduring allure of ancient wonders. Your own Rhodes adventure awaits. Our whirlwind tour of Rhodes' Old Town has come to an end, but the memories we've made will last a lifetime. From the imposing western gate of Amboise to the legendary Colossus of Rhodes, we've journeyed through centuries of history, art, and culture. But this is just a taste of what awaits you in Rhodes' Old Town. There are countless hidden gems to discover, charming cafes to enjoy, and fascinating stories to uncover. So what are you waiting for? Book your trip, pack your bags, and embark on your own Rhodes adventure. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and inspiring destinations.